Hey, British Columbia, it's Sheldon, Truck Hunter, BC, working out of Barnes, Wheaton, 3050 King George Highway. And I'm here with an anomaly. That's right, it's an unsold truck. Caught a break, a 2022 custom Chev Silverado Trail Boss. Trail Boss giving it the 2-inch body lift, the Rancho shocks, heavy Rancho shocks, transfer case shields underneath, hill descent control. And you do have Chevy's flex gate here, which is just like GMC's Pro Tailgate, except it's on the Chevy. Dual exhaust, spray and liner, has the corner steps, more aggressive all-terrain rubber, black wheels, love the look of it, everything's color coded, including the bumpers of course, no chrome caps on the mirrors, power driver's seat, and over here you do have your 4x4 auto that switches between 2 and 4 high depending on driving conditions. Does have the fold down console, does have your auto stop start, power tailgate release from inside and on the fob as well. There's your hill descent control, and you've got your trailer set up as well for your trailer lights. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto are wireless now, 4G Wi-Fi of course. Beautiful truck. It's got the 5.3 liter V8, does have the dynamic fuel management system on it now, so it's got 17 different firing positions to maximize fuel economy without sacrificing performance and power when you need it. Has the red tow hooks on the front. Good looking truck, BC, and it can be yours, but I wouldn't wait too long. My name's Sheldon, 604-362-2922. We take trades, financing on site. If needed, can deliver it anywhere in BC. We make it happen. Give me a call.